Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making avocado oil, which is great with salads, great moisturizer, and makes an effective hair growth pomade. So come on in, let's do this. Besides the other ways to make avocado oil, I particularly love this method because we get to benefit from the extra virgin olive oil as well. It is healthy. We get to enjoy it both ways, the benefit from the avocado oil and the benefit from the oil. It is a great moisturizer. I love to have it with my salad, and every time I make this, I make sure I make hair pomade out of it because it really promotes healthy and massive hair growth. Give this video a like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care my lovely. Bye bye.